Welcome back. We got another exciting episode of the Daily Food Reviews. And you already know what I have. Seaweed. Right in this bag.
But what you mean, seaweed?
Boy.
Seaweed.
Wait, we're not gonna do a food review here.
Not in here?
No, gotta do it out over there. Oh my gosh!
What are you doing? We just need 3.
Welcome back.
Oh my
We got another exciting episode of Daily Food Reviews. We have Ocean Halos Sea Salt, the seaweed snack. It's organic. Don't y'all just love it? Okay, don't y'all just love the look of seaweed?
Oh no.
No.
Okay, well, I've actually tried this before. I think Eric has too. Allison really likes it. All I can say. So I'm gonna go ahead and dive in. It's actually better the more you eat, so I'm gonna start off by eating 2 at a time. The crunch. No, it's not bad at all. I know it looks bad, but it actually tastes like some salty chips. And it's organic.
Ugh.
Alright. Are you gonna try it?
Is there a way I can just like hide it just by pulling it like this? No, I don't think so. I'm gonna try this though. No, you hear the crunch. No, what do you mean?
I was used to the first taste, but then it went like super, like my tongue just went like, whoa, what is this? And then it toned down again.
I do. Well, grab the phone. I'm gonna do some experimentation.
Okay. So since Josh doesn't like it very much, we have some ingredients from the fridge that can maybe spice it up a little bit. Thousand Island. Pickle. Parmesan cheese. Parmesan cheese.
No, freaking salt and pepper.
Dude, it's already salty. It's like 90% salt.
Where's the barbecue sauce at?
That's a good question.
Oh,
No.
this pepper.
Hot sauce?
Oh, this salt. What?
Yo, we got peanut butter.
And we got
jelly.
we got hot sauce.
And we got tuna. Beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful. Stunning. Alright. So, what should I try first? Not doing Italian. No.
Is this about not trying
not
stuff
doing
instead of
ranch.
just trying stuff?
I'm not doing mustard. Eric, the ones I'm not doing, Eric's gonna do. Eric, why don't you grab me a plate?
Because
Parmesan. Peanut butter.
Italian dress. I am not putting mustard on there. That'd be disgusting.
Yes. A little more. Oh, I just got Parmesan cheese in the peanut butter.
Thousand Island.
There you go.
Did you get Parmesan cheese into your peanut butter or peanut butter into your Parmesan cheese? What?
Hold on, I wanted to try the Thousand Island.
Hot sauce?
Yes. Oh no.
What are we?
No!
Hey, dude, you ate it all.
Need some mustard.
What the heck?
Make a sandwich.
I made a sandwich.
Am I just eating Thousand Island?
You have a lot of Parmesan to make up for it.
So are y'all hearing this? This is pickle, peanut butter, Parmesan cheese, Thousand Island. Oh, that's it. Oh, and seaweed. Seaweed sandwich. All right. Are y'all ready for this? That's pretty good. I can't lie. Dude, I feel like the seaweed, like the saltiness, like just kind of enhances all the flavors. And they actually blend together real well. Y'all probably don't know this, but I be making peanut butter and Parmesan cheese sandwich.
Oh, yes.
I only used a little bit of Thousand Island just to give it that slight
So did Josh.
eggy kind of ketchup taste.
Yeah, so did Josh.
There's spicy sauce.
And then the pickle, that was just like the secret ingredient, like just kind of sour it up a little bit. But if I'm a rate seaweed on a casual level, you can get it at Walmart, and it's 64 cents. So that's actually like mad convenient. So I'm gonna give it like an 8. Expert level, okay. Seaweed's good. Like, if you compare it to like Pringles, like Pringles are better. Like it kind of blows out of water. So I'm gonna give it like I'm generous. I'm generous because I'm biased because of all this beautiful stuff I put on it. So I'm gonna give it a 6 out of 10 on the expert level. But my concoction I had, boys, this stuff was good. I'm at like casual level, 10 out of 10. Expert level, 10 out of 10. Big Shacky done that.
Shoot. Yo, this is good. I put a $1,000 dressing up on mine with hot sauce, Italian dressing, and Parmesan. Now, expert, without the condiments, I give that casually first, 9 out of 10. Cause it was cheap up at Walmart.
64 cents.
You can just get that anywhere. And casually, you give like a 3.
And you can get it right out of the ocean. You can get it right out of the ocean.
Now here comes the best one. You see, it's in there somewhere.
I'm surprised you didn't get peanut butter on it. Oh no, I can't even pick it up. It just destroys itself.
Just lick.
Eat it. You gotta eat it like a taco. The whole pack.
No, please.
At this point, you might as well eat the little plate too.
Here, I'm gonna stuff my face in it.
Eric, why is yours leaking?
Mine is not leaking.
Eric,
Mine is leaking.
Eric, yours is leaking.
Mine is leaking. Oh, Josh. Oh,
Is
Lord.
there something on my face?
No, you straight.
All right. So this is that actually just tastes like a bunch of Thousand Island. I didn't feel the spicy at all, and the cheese. I felt a lot of the cheese, but I felt this was an awful idea, and I'll gladly do it again in another video. And the seaweed for me is like a 4. On just taste, casual level. I mean, a girl might buy it. I'm not gonna buy it. Pretty sure Eric isn't gonna buy it.
Hell no.
Pretty sure Sean might buy it.
Are you gonna buy more in the future though?
Am I gonna buy more in the future? That all depends. 64 cents. It's a lot of money. Okay, you see, I don't see.
And my concoction gets like a 5 because it was just a bunch of Thousand Island. Yeah, and Sean does this in your cereal.
Oh, food review part 2. Part 2.
Sean, the video's done.